Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Halo campaign involved. The game has crashed, UE-Meteorite, fatal error. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open your NVIDIA or AMD app, double click on it. Now go to drivers and make sure that you download the latest and greatest drivers. While it's downloading, you wanna go to settings. Make sure that you have the NVIDIA overlay off. Go to graphics, go to system, go to G-Sync, and you want to make sure that is off, and you want to download the driver and install it, and then restart your PC. After you've done that, the next thing you want to do is open a new Chrome tab and type in DirectX download. Click the first link, click download, save it, and you want to open it. Click yes, accept the agreement. Don't install the Bing bar, let it go through the process, and simply click finish. And then it will say you have the latest and greatest compatible DirectX to your PC. Now go back to search, type in Visual C++. Click the first link again, scroll down till you find the latest supported version. Download it, open it, and simply click here install. I already have the latest version. For you it will install it, and after you install it, you want to do the same for x86. Download it, open it, install it, and after you install it, you want to restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and that should hopefully fix the issue. Also, if you have any third-party software like RGB or MS Afterburner or Docker or some other like fan control or anything else that might interfere, even a VPN or anything else that could interfere with the game, you should close it out after you restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and that should fix the issue. Hopefully this video helped you guys. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Halo campaign evolved. Game has crashed, UE-Meteorite, fatal error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.